Introduction. In today's review, we're taking a closer look at the DONAMA Cervical Pillow for neck pain relief. This contour memory foam pillow claims to offer ergonomic orthopedic support tailored for side, back, and stomach sleepers, all wrapped up in a breathable black pillowcase. Designed with comfort and functionality in mind, let's dive into what makes this pillow stand out, as well as where it might fall short. Positive aspects. First off, the ergonomic design of the DONAMA pillow is one of its most significant advantages. It's shaped to align the spine, which can significantly reduce neck pain and improve sleep quality. Many users have reported waking up feeling more refreshed and with less discomfort than with traditional pillows. The contour shape supports various sleeping positions, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of sleepers. Another notable feature is the high-quality memory foam used. It molds to the shape of your neck and head, providing personalized support that adapts throughout the night. This adaptability can help reduce tossing and turning, leading to a more restful sleep. The inclusion of a breathable pillowcase is a thoughtful touch. It helps regulate temperature and keeps you cool, addressing a common issue many have with memory foam pillows retaining too much heat. Areas for improvement. However, no product is without its downsides. Some users have mentioned that the pillow's firmness level may not be for everyone. While it provides excellent support, individuals who prefer a softer, more plush pillow might find it too rigid. Additionally, the pillow has a distinct memory foam smell upon unboxing, which, while common for this type of product, can be off-putting for some. The odor typically dissipates after a few days, but it's something to consider if you're particularly sensitive to smells. Conclusion. The DONAMA Cervical Pillow for neck pain relief stands out for its ergonomic design, quality materials, and the thoughtful inclusion of a breathable pillowcase. While it offers significant benefits for those seeking neck pain relief and better sleep posture, its firmness and initial odor might not appeal to everyone. Ultimately, if you're in search of a supportive, contouring pillow and can look past its minor drawbacks, the DONAMA Cervical Pillow could be a game changer for your sleep quality and overall health.